Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are not new here. My name is Faye. I like to make videos about petite styling and fashion, and today's video is the first in a little while. I haven't made a video in a hot minute because if you're in the UK you will know that the restrictions are being lifted over the last few weeks. And I was kind of happy to take a break to just spend a little bit more time with my family and friends that I haven't seen in a while. But I'm just putting out a video today, a very quick one, because I really want to get back into the swing of things and hopefully produce more regular content. So again, this is going to be a really quick video, and you will obviously know what it's about from the title, but I hope you enjoy. And yeah, if you have any tips of your own, then let me know down in the comments. Also, just a disclaimer, if you already follow me on TikTok, then you will probably have already seen these tips, but I think that they're just so good and so handy, and people have really enjoyed them, so I thought I'd make it into a slightly longer video. So my first tip, if you struggle to find clothes to fit you because you are petite, and particularly if you have small or narrow shoulders, is definitely to stay away from any sort of regular hangers, because what I find is that they are usually quite big, and they are too big for my coats and jackets or dresses, etc. And what I find is that they will kind of create a little bump in the arms of my coats because my coats are too small for them. So the best hack that I have found for this is to simply invest in these kids hangers. And I say invest, they're just really cheap. You can buy them on Amazon. I'll put the link in the comments below. But honestly, they are so worth it. These little kids hangers, they're velvet, they are a lot smaller than kind of standard adult ones. They fit my jackets and my coats perfectly, and I never get that kind of annoying bump anymore. My clothes just look better in my wardrobe, and I don't have to worry about having to reshape them when I take them off the hanger. So definitely my number one tip is so easy, just get kids hangers. They fit my clothes way better. So my second tip is for any girlies out there that have to wear kind of black work trousers, either as part of a work uniform or a uniform at school or sixth form, but you always find that they're too long and it's impossible to find trousers that are your length. The easiest way that I can tell you to alter your trousers, or to hem them, or to take them up, and also the cheapest way, is not to do it yourself or take them to the dry cleaners to get them altered. It is literally to buy some of this hemming tape. Hemming, webbing tape, bonding tape. Just put it into Amazon, it will come up. Basically, it's the easiest way to hem your trousers. You simply cut your trousers to the length that you need them, adding for maybe 1/4 of an inch for the hem. Fold it inwards on itself, pop a little bit of the tape around the inside of the hem, and then iron it. When the iron heats up the tape, it literally becomes really sticky, so it kind of sticks those two pieces of fabric together, making a really easy hem. So if you have a pair of really inexpensive trousers for work or school and you really don't want to spend money getting them hemmed, I know that that is a personal bugbear of mine, having to hem cheap clothes. Definitely invest in some hemming tape. It will make your life so much easier, and it is so affordable. So my third and final tip is for anyone that really struggles to find knee-length boots because you are so short. I personally find it really difficult because knee-length boots, or boots that are meant to start just below the knee, they are always way too long for me and they just never work. I can't walk in them. So what I did, and this actually went down really well on TikTok, I think it's kind of a universal tip, to be honest, but if you are particularly someone who struggles to find knee-length boots, this will definitely work for you. And that is, I have a pair of those kind of over-the-knee stretchy fabric boots that were really popular back in 2016, 2017, but I don't really wear them as they are anymore. I think they look just a little bit outdated. I mean, I can still wear them, they're a classic, but they are very much a piece of the 16, 17 fashion era. However, when I wanted to refresh my wardrobe and I was really looking for a pair of knee-length boots, I simply took the over the knee boots that I already had and I folded the fabric in on itself and made a pair of knee length boots. And this seemed to go down really well on TikTok. I thought it was quite an obvious thing, but people in the comments were saying, oh my gosh, I can't believe I hadn't thought of this before. But yeah, if you really don't have great options when it comes to like knee length boots, if you find it really difficult, but you do have a pair of the kind of stretchy over the knee boots, literally just fold them in on themselves. You can roll them to where you need them to be. Because you've folded them in on themselves, they also don't have any issues with like staying up because there's just a little bit more thickness around the leg. And yeah, I think that's super easy. So those are my 3 best petite clothing hacks, and if you've never heard of them before, then I hope that you have found them helpful or useful in some way. And if this is the kind of content that you enjoy, if you're a petite woman like myself and you like my videos, then make sure to like this video and also subscribe so that you can see when I make more. Hopefully that will be on a more regular basis. I'm kind of looking to make videos once a week, and I'm hoping now that with everything out of the way and things opening up a bit more, I will have a little bit more free time just to put more videos out for you. And if you have any video requests, do let me know. But in the meantime, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video.